Great Wall of China, built between the 5th and the 16th century, is a stone and earth fortification created to protect the borders of Chinese Empire from invading Mongols. The Great Wall is actually a succession of multiple walls spanning approximately 4,000 miles, making it the world's longest man-made structure. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a defining symbol of Egypt and the last of the ancient seven wonders of the world. It is located on the Giza Plateau near the modern city of Cairo and was built over the 20-year period during the reign of King Khufu, also known as Chops of the 4th dynasty. Machu Picchu, an Incan city of sparkling granite, precariously perched between two towering Andean peaks, is thought by scholars to have been sacred archaeological center for nearby Incan capital of Cusco. Built at the peak of Incan Empire in the mid-1400s, this mountain cathedral was later abandoned by the Incas. The site remained unknown except to locals until 1911, when it was rediscovered by archaeologist Hiram Bingham. The site can only be reached by foot, train, or helicopter. Most visitors visit by train from nearby Cusco. Christ the Redeemer statue has been looming over the Brazilians from upon Corcovado Mountain in an awe-inspiring statue of eternal blessing since 1931. The 130-foot reinforced concrete and soapstone statue was designed by Hita da Silva Costa and the cost approximately $250,000 to build. Much of the money was raised through donations. The statue has become an easily recognized icon for Rio and Brazil. The genius and adaptability of Mayan culture can be seen in the splendid ruins of Chichen Itza. This powerful city, a trading center for cloth, slaves, honey, and salt, flourished from approximately 800 to 1200 and acted as the political and economic hub of the Mayan civilization. The most familiar ruin at the site of El Corocol, sophisticated astronomical observatory. Rome's, if not Italy's, most enduring icon is undoubtedly its Colosseum, built between AD 70 and 80 AD. It was in use for some 500 years. The elliptical structure sat near 50,000 spectators who gathered to watch the gladiatorial events as well as other public spectacles, including battle, reenactments, animal hunts, and executions. Earthquake and stone robbers have left the Colosseum in a state of ruin, but portions of the structure remain open to tourists, and its design still influences the construction of modern-day amphitheaters some 2,000 years later. A mausoleum commissioned for the wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, the Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1648. Considered the most perfect specimen of Muslim art in India, the white marble structure actually represents a number of architectural styles, including Persian, Islamic, Turkish, and Indian. The Taj Mahal also encompasses formal gardens of raised pathways, sunken flower beds, and a linear reflecting pool. Declared a World Heritage Site in 1985, Petra was the capital of Nabatean Empire of King Aretas IV and likely existed in its prime from 9 BC to AD 40. The members of this civilization proved to be early experts in manipulating water technology, constructing intricate tunnels and water chambers which helped create a pseudo-oasis, a number of incredible structures carved into stone, a 4,000-seat amphitheater and its Aldair monastery have also helped the site earn its fame.